So I'm going to be showing today how to change instrument cluster for second gen Dodge. This one's a diesel. It's pretty easy, especially with this one because it's a stick shift. This one's actually a 6-speed. Pretty cool shift knob. Look, it says fucking fast. But just a secret between you and me, it's not fast at all. It's very slow. That's maybe 70 mile an hour there, maybe. But anyway, so we're gonna take this bezel off, this nice fancy wood grain bezel. I got a different one on eBay, so hopefully it works. I like to use these little plastic pry bars. They get under there pretty good. These Dodge dashes break very easily. I'm sure everybody knows that. Here it is. So yeah, just get under there and try to pull even. That way maybe not break the dash so much. Oh, there we go. Usually if you sneeze, don't cover your mouth, your dash breaks. Well, over here's the plug for your power outlet. Set that aside. It's super simple. So I'm just gonna take out these, what, 1, 2, 3, looks like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Should be 6 bolts, but I think there's only 5 in this one. So I got this other one on eBay. I might keep this lens because this lens looks better. Cover. But on this one, the speedometer wouldn't work. Change your speed sensor. Sometimes the tack would quit working and other gauges. So, and it was stuck on 110,000 miles, which was nice. So it wasn't putting any miles on this thing. So I'm going to pull these screws out and we'll get back to it. So there's only 4 bolts that actually hold the whole thing in. The one's up in the corner up there. But when you pull it out, there's no wires or anything. The whole thing it plugs right in there. It's a pretty nice little setup. I'll show you back. So like I said, they just plug right in there. Kind of beveled to fit right in there. So yeah, I'm gonna go put the new one in and see what happens. And once you get your old one out of there, like I said, your new one, put the top end in like this, the bottom end out, and then kind of push in on the bottom end and then pick up at the same time. Well, there's a wire in the way on this one. This whole truck is like a wiring nightmare. So I keep a fire extinguisher in here. Hot wired. It'll go in there. I literally just had it. There it goes. Okay, yeah. And then just push it in there and then put your 4 screws in. And then that's it. Pretty simple.